Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to access your fuel pump on a G37 Coupe. They're the same for sedans. Yeah, basically just coupes and sedans are the same thing. They're under the rear seats, so let's go in here. We are going to move this seat forward. Gonna move this seat forward. We'll move this one forward. Just to get us a little more room to work with. So move these seats completely forward. And then go like that. And you're gonna feel under here. And there's gonna be two little holders that hold this seat down. Just go straight up with it, and then I'll go to that side. Okay, so you're gonna put your hands right in the middle of the seat and pull straight up. And when you do that, it pulls these tabs out of here. So that's how you pull the seat out. Next thing you're gonna grab just some pliers, and that is to undo the little plastic pieces. I'll show you right now. All right, so like I was saying, just go in here and you're gonna want to spin these to where they line up with the holes on the bottom. So you're gonna actually spin them righty-tighty. So there's 4 of them. You're gonna want to do each corner. And when they're lined up like that, it should pop right off like that. And then there's going to be a plug right there. And your fuel pump is right there. And on this side, since we're here, on this side over here, this is your fuel level sending unit. So we'll undo these, righty-tighty again. And lift up on that. And on this side is your fuel sending unit. There's going to be 6 8mm bolts. So you unplug this first, obviously. Unplug that just like that. And then 8mm all the way around 6 times. This ring pops off and then this thing slides out.